Should be a lot better, right? 91% without losing CX. I have no idea what CX is. Probably that's like a view or something like that, but I don't know. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. Today's video, as you've seen at the start of this video, I bought a big windscreen. Now I brought my Superduke GT to my house. Yeah, of course you guys know it's in another garage. I brought it to my house. Gotta get it through my back door over here, and let's install the bigger windscreen and let's see what we got. So one of the major issues in my house is that like this door isn't that wide, and the Superduke GT with the carriers with the panniers on is a lot wider than the door. So first things first, gotta get those off. Probably gonna have to put the mirrors back inside before I can get it through that door. Yeah, that's a little bit of a problem. Yeah, and I already starting a sweat. I had food poisoning this weekend, so I'm still feeling pretty sick, and I still have all the things that go with food poisoning. Not gonna go into details with you guys, but yeah, I still had to really want to make this video, so subscribe and like just because I'm sick as hell. Anyway, this pannier was a lot heavier. I kind of forgot. It's got the Super Sprox gears, steel sprockets from Super Sprox. Yeah, I made a video for the BMW Motorrad endurance team. They race motorbikes and things like that, and Super Sprox asked me to make a video for them, so I did. And looky, they gave me some free sockets, sprockets. You're probably gonna see him a lot today. That's Bob. Bob's my training dummy. I don't use him a lot, but his name is Bob, in case you're wondering. And that's why I need a bigger house or a bigger back door. That sucked. So my buddy just bought an R a couple months ago, and he was like, damn dude, this thing catches a lot of wind. I was like, yeah, I told you so. Should have bought the GT. But yeah, possibly Corona, might die. Subscribe before I die. Now, anyway, so my buddy was like, yeah, an R is very, very windy. Now, there's nothing wrong with a windy bike, but sometimes if you're cruising a lot more mileage on a daily basis, you do want to be a little bit more out of the wind. I know wind therapy, really love it, but if you're gonna do some freeways and you're gonna do like 130, 140 kilometers an hour, it's not fun to get that wind pounding into your face and your chest all the goddamn time. So yeah, the Superduke GT, it's got the Power Parts black screen, but as you can tell, and let me guys show you. See that? And it's in the top position. Bottom position. Top. See? That's not enough. You can get off pretty nicely if you get the panniers off. It's pretty easy to get off. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's also just starting to rain. So food poisoning and rain still continue in the vlog. YouTube's hard, damn it. always ordering some extra towels, just in case. Put them in your bags, panniers, even if you take a poop. If you have to take a poop somewhere in the woods, these are very good. Soft and smooth. So the one I ordered is from Bug or Puch or whatever you guys want to call it. High-tech parts. It's a Puch Moto Plastics reference email. If you guys want to order this, here's the data. Print screen it and send them the info. This thing is pretty goddamn solid. Maybe more solid than it. Yeah, this is way more flimsy. I think this is the performance, the KTM Power Parts black one. I think this one is like 120 euros for the black one. It's nice. It looks very good. Things like that. But this one is a lot sturdier. And this one was also like 100 euros. So let's try it on. In case you're wondering why it's a lot darker, I dropped the screen. I just dropped the old screen. God damn it! I was gonna say that I opened the rain cover up here, and yeah, I dropped it. It's a pretty dumb idea to release the 4 screws and then yeah, start talking about this rain cover. Not a good idea. Anyway, it's not damaged in any way. Black performance screen. Pretty see-through. That's going out, and this is coming into place. It's a different shade of black. And I started wondering why in the world they put so many screws and bolts and things with it, and the original Power Parts is just 4 screws. Well, it turns out that yeah, it's hardly gonna fit in any way. I was just thinking, like, this actually looks pretty rad without a screen. Look at that. That's pretty dope. Then yeah, look at that. It's not fitting in any way. So you gotta figure that out. See that? That's not where the hole's supposed to be. So I gotta not really sure how I can. Yeah, gotta look into that. Also a fun fact I just noticed. It says according to the direction the bike is parked on a sunny sports. Okay, the sunbeams may cause a magnifying glass effect that can melt the panels. A magnifying glass effect that can melt the panels. We advise not to leave the bike on a sunny spots. So there's like some yeah, letters are wrong in there, and you can't leave your bike in the sun. And yeah, So yeah, I sat on it for a couple of minutes so it could expand a little bit more. Still need a lot of elbow grease, and yeah, I got it on. So as you guys can tell, this is the bottom position, so it's not that bad. It's like a little bit bigger than the performance one. I'm gonna hold the performance, not performance, it's power parts. No idea why I'm saying performance, but I think I'm still doing some BMW reviews or something like that, I don't know. So yeah, as you can tell, gonna put on the same bolts. Here we go. So that's the original screen. But of course it's the power parts and it's the black one, but actually it's the same as the original, and that's the new one. So it's like 10 centimeters bigger. It's not a lot, but it might do the trick as I want it to do it. So yeah, look at that. That's a lot better. Way better. I'm not a wind specialist or engineer, but this one has got like these fenders, these little fenders that go up and they don't deflect the wind to the sides. The original one does take the wind over here, and for some reason this one takes the wind back inside. Not sure what's gonna happen when I ride it, but gotta figure it out later. Can't figure it out now because, well, I still have diarrhea, and I'm not gonna ride my motorcycle to get diarrhea in a kilometer or 5. So yeah, not gonna do that. That'll be for the next video. And yeah, shitty Belgium. So sun is shining again, rain is gone, and that's how it looks. Look at that. Put the pannier on because, of course, it's a touring bike. I didn't buy it to do like 200 or 300 kilometer rides. It's made to spend all day on it. Strange. I'm building this to spend all day on it. That's why I also do the sausage roll experiment. I should try to cook some steak on the bike too, or make breakfast. Not sure how I'm gonna do that, but maybe have some eggs in my engine compartment and some sausages, maybe some beans, and let's figure out if I can make some breakfast on a Superduke. Yeah, that's gotta be something for next video. And this is like extra information they are giving me. So the original screen versus the Bug screen, it's like 15% helmet protection versus 40% helmet protection. Upper body protection is 50 with the original and 100% upper body protection with the bigger screen. Low body protection is 100% and also 100% on the new screen. So look at that. Should be a lot better, right? 91% without losing CX. I have no idea what CX is. Probably that's like a view or something like that, but I don't know. And I've seen even bigger screens than that one, and I didn't want to buy that one because I don't want it to be over touring like I spend every single day on a motorcycle. Not gonna do that. So this one is the one I found that was, yeah, looking pretty decent, pretty sporty, still touring like, and yeah, can't wait to ride it. So hope you guys like this video update on the Superduke 2020 GT windscreen from Pug. I'm going to the toilet because the diarrhea is coming up again, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace, ride safe.